Good evening, Philippines. This is Mike Padua once again, returning to our special coverage on Ofel. This is now the final one for this Thursday evening, October 15, 2020, and this is brought to you by Typhoon 2000. Let's begin with our update. Here's the latest fast animation. You can clearly see here the system moving towards the West Philippine Sea. This is Ofel. And it's likely to be downgraded into a low pressure area based on the latest reliable computer models, and is expected to make landfall over Vietnam in the next couple of days. So far, the system is encountering some not so good atmospheric environment over this area. Meanwhile, here across the Philippine Islands, we just have the trough of this system moving across the Bicol region and parts of the zones. That's why we have some thunderstorm activity, particularly in the afternoon or evening, as well as parts of the Visayas, Mimaropa, and Mindanao. And we are keeping an eye on another LPA. There's a weak or shallow LPA down here to the south of Guam, and some computer models develop it into a tropical cyclone within the next 5 days. So we are going to keep an eye on this system with an initial track towards extreme northern Luzon, but that will change as time goes by, so let's hope and pray it won't happen. And as we look at our zoom in satellite animation, this is for the Philippine Islands. You can see lots of localized thunderstorms across most parts of the Visayas and Sulu Archipelago and Mindanao as of this evening, while some areas have some improving weather conditions after those strong thunderstorms that happened during the afternoon. Here's the final track of Typhoon 2000 on Ofel around 5 p.m. So that will be the fate of Ofel, weakening into a low pressure area before moving towards the coastal areas of Vietnam. And as we look at our global typhoon models, the other LPA here doesn't have yet a forecast tracks, but on Ofel it shows here that it's so erratic, the computer models doesn't agree to each other, and it shows landfall over Vietnam within the next 48 hours. Now here's the latest ECMWF forecast from the windy.com app, and for tomorrow afternoon you can see here the tropical depression Ofel as a low pressure area approaching the coastal areas of Vietnam, while afternoon thunderstorms will again be happening in most parts of the country, particularly across the Visayas, Bicol region, and various portions of Mindanao. And on Saturday, still some thunderstorm activity can be observed, but only concentrated along Luzon, particularly northern Luzon, and over Mindanao, along the Bukidnon and Davao region, while the rest will have low chances of thunderstorms, particularly over the Bicol region. Okay, so that's the quick update on the tropical depression. This is the final coverage, and we will resume to our MWF weather update via YouTube, and we will be returning again tomorrow, Friday, to give you the latest. From Typhoon 2000, this is Mike Padua reporting. Stay safe always, be #weatherwiser, and thank you for watching our YouTube channel.